Good afternoon. It is a beautiful day here on Hilton Head, and we are at Ocean Breeze. We're going to take a look at number 80. This is a really nicely done 3-bedroom. Try to stay out of these, but it's kind of hard with a storm door. So, again, we have a great 3-bedroom location here. South end of Hilton Head. Beautifully located, just a few minutes from the beach, walking. And this one is a 3-bedroom. So as you come in, obviously, first thing that kind of stands out is that it's open. For those of you all that know Hilton Head, the kitchen, where you see the top part of this, used to have a wall that started right here at the edge and wrapped around to meet the wall right there to the ceiling. So it really closed off this space significantly. And as you can tell, by taking that out, it has opened it up quite a bit. They've done a nice job putting in some luxury vinyl flooring. Nice little deck here out back. It's not a big deck, but, you know, nice little bistro table and chairs. Looks out over the pool. Different community right there on the back side of it, but looks right out over the pool there. So, again, this is as much open concept as you're going to really kind of find. This is listed at $340,000. Kitchen has been updated. The cabinets are not original. Most of the original cabinets were the ones that had the wood trim kind of along the bottom here. So they redid these. All Frigidaire appliances. I actually think I have a very similar package to these at home. I think it's smudge proof, and yeah, so touch them, do whatever you like, and no fingerprints, which is nice. Granite countertops here. Everything matches, looks in really nice, really good condition. It's a pretty place. We do have popcorn ceilings, so we do not have the smooth ceilings. And I don't know, at this point, I don't notice it. When I first walked in, I noticed a little bit of a smoke smell. Whether the person that lives in here may smoke or not, I'm not sure. But usually that stuff kind of subsides after a short period of time. This wall, you'll notice kind of down by the base, is seen in better days, but in general, the walls look pretty good. You know, there'll be a few holes and stuff, but they don't have a ton of artwork, so probably not going to get a lot of issues with the walls. The floors feel pretty good. These are luxury vinyl plank, so they are floating to begin with, and so there's going to be a little bit of a give to them. Anyway, first floor suite. We have we have a bath. I don't believe, this has probably not been updated, but with a nice little shower here on the first floor. This would also be, I would consider this kind of your half bath. You know, obviously your downstairs kind of half bath type of a situation. Some horrible videography on this part with me being in these pictures, but Nice little bathroom, and it just leads right here into first floor bedroom. So pretty good size. I think that's a queen size bed. So huge dresser. So there's plenty of room in here. It's not the biggest closet that I've ever seen. For sure, but nice little closet there. And again, they've carried that luxury vinyl plank throughout. They're doing a little bit of tree work in the neighborhood, so that's what that buzzing kind of sound is. If you hear something that makes you alarmed, that's not anything that's a massive deal. Doesn't happen very often, but seems to be going on today. So staircase heading up, nice tall staircases. These are hardwood on the top. They've done the luxury vinyl on the uptick. So just to let you know how that part of it works. As you come up here, we have a laundry room, kind of a laundry closet here, but pretty good size. A little bit of storage on the one side. And then two really nice stackable washers and dryers here. So LG product, but yeah, really nice. This wood, as you kind of come up here, you've got a little landing area. That's obviously an access hatch to the other bathroom. But yeah, nice little landing area here. And we're going to start. They've used this as a bunk room, obviously. Sleep 4 in here. So really it's set up for two families, 2 4-person families, which is a pretty smart use of the space, I would think. And we have the ensuite bathroom here. You will notice little tub shower combination. Nice tile. Goes very well with the vanity. Nice light fixture in here. But yeah, that is the second bedroom. This is on the front of the building. And then we'll come back here. And this is really what I would consider your master. Has a little bit of has a walk-in closet. Very similar bathroom to the other. All of these units, the bedrooms are all very similar. The bathrooms and the closets will be a little bit different, but ultimately they've carried that luxury vinyl throughout. They've done a nice job in here with the master. Again, similar, really almost identical bathroom to the one we just saw. It's in great condition. Don't know why I can't focus. But yeah, in really good condition. And I think it would be a great property to have. The floors feel solid. Always kind of tough to do this through blinds, so especially on this floor, but a nice view out to the pool. Again, everything seems to be done very nicely. Yeah, they've done a great job cleaning. Floorboards are in good condition. Yeah, the only thing I can tell is that at some point, somebody smoked in here. And you definitely have a little bit of, you have that lingering smell. Everything else looks absolutely amazing. Certainly can't find a lot of things that would be issues in here. You do have some privacy in that the neighbor here is offset to the right. Neighbor to the left is a little bit closer, obviously. We'll show you that. Don't know if you'd be able to put up any sort of a privacy type of deal in between. And that is, once again, the tree company. So that is not it's normally pretty quiet out here when you're in this area. So, but again, we are here today at 80 Ocean Breeze at the treetops here on the south end of Hilton Head. If you've got any questions, please give me a call. Dave Thornton at Carolina Realty Group, 843-384-1606. Thanks and have a great day.